Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to master importing from China with 1688 step-by-step guide. So let's meet. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to master importing from China with 1688 step-by-step guide. So let's move. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your 1688 shopping. I'm going to click on here. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to simply search for the products that you would like to import from China. So there are so many ways to search for products. One of the first ways is to simply scroll down like this. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up from different supplier across China, different manufacturer, wholesalers, etc. from China. Alternatively, you can simply click on here to enter the name of the product you are looking for. This is called style search. Okay. Alternatively, you can make use of this camera icon, which stands for image search. What you do here is to simply have the picture of the particular item you are looking for, then upload it right here, and you wait for some seconds to have similar result of that particular product. Better still, you can click on here if you are looking for direct battery. Just click on here. There are lots of battery from different supplier across China that you need that section. So that is how to source. After you have a successful source for the product, next thing you need to do is to add a product. So let's see how to add a particular product. That on 160. Alright, so from this store right here, I need to buy some stuff right here. So what I need to do is to simply click on this particular icon just to add the product to cart. Then this is going to load up, and then from this section here, this is where we need to choose products like color, sizes, and likes as far as 1688 Chinese shopping. And so right here, I need about 6 different color and same sizes on stuff. Okay. So I have to make sure I translate this page so I'll be able to understand everything in English language, or better still, whatever language you simply understand. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to simply make a screenshot of this particular page. Just like so. Having made a screenshot, I'm going to exit from here. Then I'll head over to my Chrome browser right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to use this camera icon. Then I have to make sure I choose the screenshots. Then I'll just translate right here. So now we have every detail about the product. So the first one here is true color. So I need this, I need this, I need this. So just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply go back to my 1688 to add them to cart one after the other. Okay. So right here, I need these two. I need these two. I need this color too. I need this color also too. And I need this color too. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here, add everything. That. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to view my cart. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to select all. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So the next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down, and then I have to make sure I click on here. Now make sure I select Alipay. right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to process the payment. And I need to click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. So payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pop-up. Then I have to go back to my profile and go back. So for me to visit my profile, I need to simply click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products is going to be found right here. So let's check it. It's like so. So we have everything right here. So basically, this is how to master importing from China with 1688, a step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you